Hazardwari Palace. Located in the eastern banks of river Bhagirathi, Hazardwari Palace is one of the most attractive tourist spots of West Bengal. People from all across India come to the district Murshidabad to visit this prominent tourist spot. आज हम चलेंगे हजारद्वारी पैलेस और देखेंगे what's so special about it. So देर किए बिना शुरू करते हैं. अभी मैं अपने घर से निकल चुका हूँ and I am heading towards Barhampur Court Station. From there we will catch a train to Murshidabad Station, which is the nearest station to Hazardwari Palace. Lockdown के बाद this is the first time I am coming to a railway station and it has been around 290 days from the last time I boarded a train. So welcome to Barhampur Station, and currently you can hear the announcement for the train which I will be boarding to go to Murshidabad Station.
कृपया ध्यान दें, आप रास्ता देख सकते हैं। 1 नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म पर कृपया ध्यान दें, आप रास्ता देख सकते हैं। 1 नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म पर
So currently I have got my friend Rohan with me and we together will display and show you the beauty of Hazardwari Palace in this vlog. After you board in station Murshidabad to go to Hazardwari Palace, you will find lot many e-rickshaws standing in front of the gate of Murshidabad railway station. From there you can board one of them. Currently the fare for the e-rickshaw is just ₹10 per person.
Code is invalid. Okay.
So finally we have reached Hazardwari Palace and you have to book the tickets yourself in online mode. The price of ticket per person is just ₹20, and if you are unable to book it in online mode, there are a lot many people out there who will give you the tickets but they will charge you ₹30 extra per person. To book the tickets yourself, you just need to scan the QR code displayed in the main gate and then you can pay by following the instructions if you are having a ATM card or any sort of online transaction wallet or like that anything. So currently we are moving toward the Hazardwari Palace Museum. This is basically a museum and not the original palace which was used by the Nawab. To enter the premises, you don't need to purchase a ticket, but to enter the museum, you need to purchase the ticket, the process of which I have mentioned just before. And inside the museum, photography is prohibited, so you need to keep your phone switched off. So as I said, I could not record the things inside as photography was prohibited. But I am going to explain everything to you, which are the main attraction of this place. Firstly, the white building which you can see is the Imambara, and right behind it there is a mosque, and also there is a mosque in the left of it. The yellow colored tower which you can see on the right side of the Imambara is the clock tower. The clock works even today. Hazardwari Palace was also called Boro Kotli, and the name Hazardwari is because Hazard stands for 1000, Dwari stands for door. So there are 1000 doors approximately in this building, and the main purpose of them is to confuse the predators. So the culprit gets confused between the real and the fake doors and cannot escape from the court of Nawab very easily. The construction of Hazardwari started on 9th August 1829, and in 1985 this building was handed over to Archaeological Survey of India for better preservation. Inside the museum there are 19 galleries, and among the prominent ones there are the Armour Wings, Royal Exhibits, Landscape Gallery, the British Portrait Gallery, Nawab Nazim Gallery, the Darbar Hall, Committee Room, Billiards Room, and the Portrait Gallery of Diwan and Nazir. There are also many more galleries, and among the prominent other attractions there are a mirror in which you can see everyone except your own face. You can never see your own face in that mirror. And there is also the mummy of a crocodile which have been preserved for years. Another most attractive thing of the museum is the petri dish, which is said to change its color whenever a poisonous food is placed on it. This is said that it was used to ensure that the food being served to the royal family was not poisonous. After you have covered all the galleries, it is time to move around in the premises and enjoy the beauty of this royal palace. For tourists, the best way to come to this palace is to come by car or via train. There is a train named after this palace, that is the Hazardwari Express. The timings of this train have been arranged in such a way keeping in mind the tourist, so that आप यहाँ पे सुबह आके पूरा दिन यहाँ पे एंजॉय करके फिर शाम को आप इसी ट्रेन से आप वापस लौट सकते हैं. You can see Hazardwari Express on your screen, and now it's time for me to return. It departs Kolkata station early morning at 6:30 am and reaches Murshidabad station, which is the closest station from Hazardwari Palace, at 11 am. While departing, it departs Murshidabad station at 5 pm and reaches Kolkata at 9 am. उम्मीद करते हैं आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया हो तो ज़रूर वीडियो को लाइक कर दे. चैनल पे नए हो तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर.